Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So I just saw that this foundation is on sale right now. It's amazing. The formula is really good. If you are closer to my skin tone, I'm in the shade Golden Honey 5.75 and it matches me perfectly. It looks a little yellow on here, but then on skin it looks really nice. I'm like almost out of it. It blends really nicely and it does not look yellow whatsoever. It matches me really well, and if you are like little darker than me, you can find your shade, and if you are lighter, obviously you will find your shade. It's the people like us who have such a struggle finding our shade, so definitely usually do same step, same makeup every single day. Not every single day, like whenever I want to do makeup. So yeah, today I have some campaigns to shoot. That's why I'm getting ready. And ironically, whenever I have to shoot, the weather gets cloudy and there will be no sunlight whatsoever. So especially now after having a baby, um, earlier I will wait. I'm like, okay, I'll wait, let the sunlight come, and I'll do it the next day. Now I'm like, dude, you have no time. Just get the stuff done. Like, I have no excuses right now. I feel like that is the best part of having babies, because yeah, you're just so busy. You're just so busy, and you don't think of like different factors which used to be a deal breaker before. Now it's like just go 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 go. So by the way, this is my favorite setting powder. This is from NARS, and look how much I have used it. It's literally falling apart. But yeah, this is such a great one and lasts pretty long. You just need a little bit. So I'm just gonna do this, lightly dust it. This blush from Kulfi Beauty, the shade is really nice on my skin tone. I think it will go with a lot of different skin tones as well. This is in the shade Sandalwood Swirls. This highlighting balm from Merit Cosmetics. I have gone through multiple of these. Such a great product, and it's really lightweight. It's not cakey whatsoever. It just blends into your skin. For eyeliner, I just do a little bit over here. I'm using this from MAC. This is in the shade Teddy. It's a brown eyeliner, and I just do outer corners because I cannot do wing liner whatsoever. So I'll just do a little bit here and use my finger and smudge it. It's even? No. But what to do? We'll just roll with it. And I generally have full eyebrows. I think all Indians do, all brown peoples do, and I don't do much. I'll just use a brown eyeshadow with an angled brush in the wherever I have like sparse area. Look over here, see? And it's very easy for me to overdo it. That's why I just tap it, just tap this angled brush in the liner like this. That's it. I totally think I was living under the rock because I haven't used this mascara from Lancome, and this one is amazing. Look at the difference. I usually like something very natural, and I feel like this one is really nice. Does not clump the lashes together, which usually happens. Look at this one. I really like it. And lip liner, I'm using this from NYX Mahogany, and it's closer to my natural lip. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I think this is such a pretty color. um really nice. I like to layer this lip liner with any lipstick of my choice. Today I'm using this one from YSL. This is in the shade 1B. So pretty. And that lip liner goes with any lipstick, so that's the best part. This one is like, the formula is really great, really hydrating, and looks really nice on. And look at my hair. I'm gonna fix it right now, or I don't have time for that, so I'll just make it work and get the work done. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me.